Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here from Team Flitz with another episode of
Will It Shine?
Where we try to turn tarnished into terrific.
Today we have a 1960s Spalding Bob Goldby 6-iron. Let's put some of the Flitz all-metal pre-clean and the Flitz polish to the test. Look at that! Metal pre-clean with a bit of scrubbing with a 4/0 steel wool. It's erasing 50 plus years of dirt and grime. Already looking a lot better. Now let's get to it with a Flitz polish. Wow, that oxidation is just flying off. Well, look at that. The Flitz Power Combo has it done once again. Remember, when it comes time to cleaning, polishing, and protecting, Flitz it.